Hello, this is Mrs. Cooper with the weekly update for the week of November 12th, 2021. Here are some upcoming events. Picture Retake Day is November 18th on both campuses. On the evening of November 18th at 4:30 p.m., we will have a virtual elementary parent training on report cards, progress monitoring, and ESOL. I will send everybody the link. Monday, November 22nd through Friday, November 26th is Thanksgiving break. The elementary holiday shop will be December 6th to 10th. Wellness Week at the elementary campus will be December 13th. Winter break is December 23rd through January 4th. Here's a message from our administration.
Hi PBMA families, this is Mrs. Smith, your elementary school principal. I just wanted to give a congratulations to our students on completing their first trimester, 2 more to go, and of course thank you parents and teachers for all your hard work to support our children in learning. Report cards will be going home on the 18th, and we also have the parent training on the 18th at 4:30. I really hope to see everybody there. It'll be a great informative training. Thank you.
Parents, you are still able to sign up for the Miami Lighthouse's free eye exams and free glasses program. Please sign up if you haven't already done so. The Lighthouse will come to the secondary campus on November 19th, and they will schedule additional dates for elementary school if more students sign up. 3rd grade visited Sandoway House in Delray Beach. Let's hear all about it. I have some students here in 3rd grade that went to Sandoway Discovery Center. What's your name?
Kyrie,
Prince,
Damien,
George.
Daya.
Okay, and you guys saw all sorts of things. Tell me what you saw.
I saw a flamingo and it was colorful.
Ooh.
I saw a parrot.
Okay.
I saw a shark that looks like a catfish.
Ooh.
Seen a nurse shark.
And what did you see? What's something special you saw?
Well, I did see this turtle.
Oh, okay. And what was your favorite part of the trip?
About talking about the butterflies.
Okay.
About making the shark necklace, I turned mine into a bracelet.
Ooh, that's really nice.
Learning what's different from a crocodile and an alligator.
Crocodile and alligator, and you got a shark necklace too, I see.
We all got one.
Oh, okay.
I learned that I got to see that animal that they fed the sharks.
Okay, they fed the sharks. What did the sharks eat?
They ate squid and shrimp.
Were they hungry?
There's only one.
Very
Oh, he was hungry. Okay. Was she?
I learned about that once crocodiles or alligators go to 4 or 5 feet, they can do their original diet.
Okay. Was Sandoway lots of fun?
Yes.
Would you like to go again next year there?
Yes.
What do you want to tell us? Anything else?
It's fun because we got to play a lot of games for a little while, but it was still pretty fun there.
Okay, great. Anything else, George?
Can we go there next year?
I think we can.
Let's go.
And then I eat the plants and I make waste and I put the waste in here and I make soil, plants, waste. You see what's happening? It's a cycle. It's the nitrogen cycle. It helps replenish. Like this in the wild. Go! It is in 3, 2, 1.
Dr. Bender's dental office put on a presentation to our kindergarten classes. They learned how to properly brush and care for their teeth. Ms. Owen's tadpoles have turned into frogs. The kindergartners are very excited, but sad to let the frogs go. The secondary campus celebrated Inktober. Inktober was created by artist Jake Parker in 2009 as a challenge to improve his ink skills and to develop positive drawing habits. Every student and staff member was invited to participate in making an ink on a Post-it note drawing. Please like Palm Beach Maritime on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you'll be informed of the newest information. I'm Mrs. Cooper, and this is Bailey. Thanks for watching, and remember, an engaged parent is a great parent.